gonna show you how to do oil replacement in engine on BMW 550 M Sport 2010 E60 body. So first of all, you need to remove this plastic cover. You will need 8mm socket to do it. Then you will see your drain bolt here, and here is the bolt, drain bolt. You will need to remove this one, and here is oil filter cover. First of all, you'll need to remove this bolt, and then oil filter cover, and then oil filter. You will need T47 star socket to remove drain bolt. Be careful if the engine is hot, the oil can be hot also. Just be careful if you just coming up here. Now we have to remove drain bolt from oil filter cap. Don't forget to put your rubber O-ring on a cap, oil filter cap. After that, put a new filter in. Also, when you put back your drain bolt, don't forget to put a new brass O-ring also. This small rubber rubber O-ring go under this metal bolt, but we already installed it. And now you're good to go, guys, and put your oil filter back. Just simply put it in, tidy it up, and then don't forget to put your drain bolt in. Here is your drain bolt with a new brass O-ring. Then put your plastic cover back and fill it up with a new oil, and you're good to go.
Are you ready for the rough?